This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Venmo in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully request your funds. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the menu. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu where you can find various options. Step 3. Select Manage Balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your payout amount. You will see your Venmo balance displayed. Enter the amount you wish to request as a payout. Ensure that this amount is within your available balance. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. After entering the amount, review the details and tap on the Transfer or Request button. Follow any prompts to confirm your request, and you will receive a notification once the payout is processed. Now you are ready to request payouts on Venmo with ease. Following these steps will help you manage your funds effectively.